All right, welcome to Nothing But Kitchen. And yep, I am Thang. I'm gonna show you this new gadget that I have, the FARBERWARE air fryer toaster oven. Now, I've already pre-made me a little tuna sandwich because I want to make it a tuna melt. So I'm going to use the machine and I'm going to let you see how it all works out. Because as I've noticed from the manuals, they don't give good stuff. So I got to show what you would normally eat in your home. So here we go. First I'm going to get the oil, spray the pan. Stick my nice big sandwich on here. I think I want it sideways because I want to see the lines. And I slide it in like so. Close the lid. And I already have it plugged in, so you press that. You pick your choices. They have it where they have air fryer, toaster, bake, broil, all of that. So I'm going to pick the function side and put it on toast. And here you press, oh, wait. See, I did that wrong. Put it on toast. Then you go to your time. Oh, wow. Then you go to your time and you can say, let's see, I guess we'll do 4 minutes. Well, up at the top, it'll tell you light, dark, whatever. So it gives you how dark you want it, how light. So I'm gonna do in the middle, dark, a little light to dark, and let's see what happens. And then if you press the time at the bottom, it'll give you, telling you if you have 6 slices, 4 slices, 2 slices, 1 slice. So I'm gonna do 2 slices. Then I'm gonna go back up here, press start. Now let's see what happens in that 4-minute time to see if my tuna melt is gonna actually melt, if the cheese is gonna be all nice and gooey, because that's what I'm trying to accomplish here. Now I got this at Walmart. It was like ranging around $70, but even from here, I'll even do more little different meals because I heard you can put chicken wings in here. You can put a whole chicken in here. So we just gonna be trying to check it all out to see, because let's say we're gonna put the oven on retirement if this thing is as good as it says it is. So we're just waiting, and we wait, 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 and we wait. I guess I could clean up my mess while I'm waiting, right? Don't mind my cabinet, yep. All the seasonings. We're down to 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I kind of wish they had a little light on here. You know how your oven has a light and you can press the button so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's like just from looking at it, they don't have a light inside. So of course that's where the difficulty goes in. So it's like I'm peeking to make sure my bread is not burning up. But then I'm also peeking to see if the cheese is melting like it's supposed to. And all I did was use like some shredded cheese on it. I didn't use sliced cheese at all. I used shredded cheese. I had already pre-made the tuna mix and everything. So hopefully everything pans out. see what happens. Yes. I'm gonna peek a little. I don't know if you're supposed to open that or not, but I want to see. Cause I see it like oozing over, you know. So I'm just like, oh, what's going on in there? Cause it ain't showing me nothing. Absolutely nothing. I hear it. It's just sizzling and fizzing. Oh. Looks like this thing fell. Sorry. 3 seconds left. 2, 1. Beep, beep. All right, let's open this and see what's going on in here. You pull this all the way down like that. It is hot. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, all my cheese is melted. In there. That's what we got. That's all we got. That's what we got. It could have cooked a little more. It could have cooked a little bit more. Let's try this again. Right on. Press the start button again. See what happens. Because it wasn't toasty like I wanted it. It wasn't toasty like I wanted it at all. Make this neck from stop falling. My camera keeps falling. So I guess we'll just wait another 3 more minutes to see what goes down. Cause honey, that wasn't toasted enough. But like I said, I am doing all this for the first time with you. So it's not like that I done pre-train myself to do any of this stuff. No, I am test driving this bad boy with y'all at the same note. So that way you can see my flaws, see the mistakes I made, see the corrections I made. And that way you'll know what to do to make your food come out yummy and quick. But I'm liking it so far, you know. Especially when you want to do stuff like this. And then it's not, you know, you don't see all the smokiness. But I know all of it is hot, so, but you don't see the smokiness from like a regular toaster oven or something. So, and it's very quiet. Quieter than my refrigerator. It's right there. Noisy thing. And let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. My little midget. Like, goodbye. We in the kitchen. Get out. But we got 1 minute and 7 seconds left. Ooh. Let me see. Oh, yeah. See. Oh. That got a little browner than it first. I think I'm going to stop it. Cause see, I'm using wheat bread, so it's kind of like, I think I'm gonna stop it. So we're gonna stop it. So technically, I should have did it at 2 more minutes. Cause, ooh, let me show y'all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yes, perfect. Make sure my cheese is melted. See, the cheese is melted. Oh yeah.
Hi guys. Hello.
And there you have it, my tuna melt. All right, well thank you for being patient with me as we played around with the FARBERWARE air fryer toaster oven. See you next time. If you like what you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. Later.